Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to change our default reminder time Outlook. Open your Outlook app. There, from the File menu, click on Options. After this, go to the Tasks section. Here, confirm that the box is checked. Set reminders on tasks with due dates. Then, choose the new time from the default reminder time field. Click on OK. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.